Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look. If you want to see how, then please continue to watch. Alrighty you guys, and Beatles did send me over some products today. They sent me over this 36 colors gel polish kit, which I'm really excited to dig into, as well as this 6-piece superstar set. These are reflective glitters and they look really pretty in low light, so let's go ahead and crack these open. So this is going to be the inside of the case, all of the colors. You also have in here the base gel top coat and matte top coat. And as you can see, there's so many colors in here, so many good options for not just summer, but fall and winter. We're starting to get more into the darker colors and the greens, reds and everything like that, berries, all of that. So I'm really glad that this came in, and there's so many colors. Do you guys see this? 36 colors, and you're gonna have everything you need all in one. Love that. And this is going to be the Superstar 6-piece set. Let's go ahead and pop this open. So this is going to be the 6 colors that come inside. First we have this neon green. So again, this is that neon green of the kit. This is the blue. And these colors are all very vibrant, so I love that. Again, very reflective glitter. And then there is a orange. I feel like this will be really pretty for the fall. Look at that. This is a very true orange. I don't think I've ever seen an orange glitter before. Orange reflective glitter polish before. And then we have, I want to say hot pink, but it also has some coral to it. It's definitely way more hot pink in the bottle. There we go. That's really pretty. Ooh, what color do I want to use for my nail set today? We also have a purple. And then lastly, we have a green. Very, very pretty. Alrighty. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably grab a nude out of the other kit to use as my base color, and then I'm going to go in with the glitters to really solidify a really cute design on the nails. And let's go ahead and figure this out. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and move on to application. First, really quickly before we move on to application, I've been listening to It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover since yesterday. And I'm intrigued. There's been a lot of things going around as far as the movie and when it comes to the book and everything, but I want to know what you guys think, if you've read this book or if you're reading this book, if you started and didn't finish. I just decided to get it on Audible just to listen to it while I'm doing my nails and cleaning and doing things around the house. And it's interesting. So I know I'm going to be done with this. Today's Friday. I could literally just be done listening to this today. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to go out and actually see the movie, or if I just want to wait until it comes available on the platform for you to rent it on. So I'm not really sure. I'm going to continue to listen and let you guys know what I think. If you guys care to even know what I think about this, or if you guys are into books and audibles and audiobooks, let me know, because I would love to start a conversation around books with you guys. Let me know. But let's go ahead and get on to this application. I already have my book paused so that I can get on to the application. 1 second. There we go. Okay, you guys, so the extensions we're applying today are the Après Gel X Sculpted Square Long. Go ahead and size out the nails. The 3 fits pretty good on my thumb, but I feel like I may just want a teensy bit wider of a nail. So I think I'm gonna possibly go with it 2. And I have already prepped my nails. I did have builder gel on them as well, very thin layer, but I just pretty much buffed that down. And so I already have on base gel and everything. I have on my Model 1's HEMA-free base gel. I think, yeah, I'm gonna do this. Guys, on to application. I have already applied these 3 nails off camera. Let's go ahead and move into the thumb. I've already etched the inside of the nails as well. You guys know that I like to do that using my Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator just to chemically etch the inside. Excuse me. Now to move on to the glue that I'm using, which is Creations Gel Soft Tip Extend Gel. This is done. This bottle's done. I was scraping for it. Luckily, I have a backup. You guys know this is one of my absolute favorite extend gels. My other favorite extend gel is going to be from Not Polish. They're very similar in thickness. And I personally just really love these two. They're so good. I love a good thick extend gel. So either of these two is definitely, that's the direction to go. This is just honestly tried and true. You guys know Creations. I always use that. So, so, so good. Creation. Send me some more of these, please. If you ever come across my video, please send me some of these. I just get these now at a local professional nail supply or on Amazon. And then this one, of course, directly from Not Polish. I love both of these. They are they're so good. Also the Model ones, those would be my top three: Asian, Not Polish, and Model 1. So if you guys are looking for a really good extend gel, these are the ones that I would highly suggest. But this one is now trash. See you later, buddy. Alrighty, let's go ahead and crack open this bottle. And of course, I love to go ahead and slide this light back some. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this at the base of my extension where I've roughed it up, and maybe just a little bit further up now that I have some length on my nails. And you guys, my nails, one of the nails kind of broke a little bit at the tip, so I just had to even them out, but I still have pretty good length on them for 2 weeks of growth, so I'm not mad at that at all. And then I like to go in with a little extra extend gel right at the base of the extension, because that's what's also going to flow forward down to the tip of the nail, making sure that we don't have any gaps and spaces without glue, especially with this apres tip being a sculpted nail tip. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and tap that light on. I like to apply my extensions at a 45-degree angle and allow the glue to flow forward. And then we're going to go ahead and cure this for 15 to 20 seconds. Alrighty, so now that the nails are on, I've already cleaned them up. I went around the cuticles with a little bit of acetone just to seal them. You guys know my normal process. I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of the base gel. Now we're going to go ahead and cure the base coat for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my Beetles Gel Polish in B072. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now that I have the layer of B072 on the nails, I'm going to go ahead and create a French tip. So I'm going to be creating a French tip just like these two. Let's go ahead and start. And then I'm going with this brush, this liner brush. These do come in a pack. I prefer my my liner brushes to be shorter. It's just a preference as opposed to the longer ones at the moment. Okay, and now we're just going to go in with a layer of the Beetles top coat. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.